In the realm of fitness and muscle building, it's essential to emphasize the significance of whole foods over protein powders and supplements. While these products have their place, real food provides a foundation for achieving optimal results. Proper nutrition is the cornerstone of muscle growth, supplying the body with essential nutrients to maximize gains. In this video, we'll explore the 12 best foods for muscle building and strength, highlighting their roles in your quest for a stronger, more muscular physique. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our valuable content designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's get started. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, renowned for their perfect protein profile. Beyond protein, they offer vitamin B and choline, essential for muscle development. Egg yolks contain dietary cholesterol, not linked to increased blood cholesterol, which contributes to a balanced diet. The amino acids in eggs support muscle recovery, while vital minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium are crucial for overall muscle health. 2. Lean beef. Lean beef is a top choice for muscle building due to its high protein content, essential amino acids, vitamin B, and creatine. These elements aid muscle growth, making beef a staple for weight training enthusiasts. Opting for lean cuts and grass-fed beef, which has higher levels of beneficial conjugated linoleic acid, helps reduce body fat and promote muscle gain. Additionally, saturated fats in beef support healthy testosterone levels, vital for muscle building. 3. Chicken breasts. Chicken, particularly chicken breasts, offers abundant high-quality protein, with a 3-ounce serving providing around 26 grams. It also contains vitamin B, niacin, and B6, essential for muscle development. High-protein diets, such as those incorporating chicken, enhance fat burning and protect against muscle loss during workouts. 4. Salmon. Salmon is a versatile food, beneficial for overall health and muscle building. It boasts high-quality protein and essential long-chain omega-3 fatty acids like DHA and EPA, which promote heart health and muscle synthesis. Consuming salmon increases omega-3 levels, supporting lean muscle mass and muscle building processes during training. 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is favored by bodybuilders and those seeking muscle gain due to its high protein content. It is rich in casein, a slow-digesting dairy protein. This gradual absorption maintains steady blood amino acid levels, aiding muscle growth and preventing breakdown. Cottage cheese is a preferred choice over whey protein, particularly before bedtime to sustain amino acids during sleep. Additionally, its versatility in recipes makes it easy to incorporate into various meals and snacks. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a dairy-derived source of high-quality protein. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow digesting casein protein, supporting muscle gain and strength. With 20 grams of protein per serving, Greek yogurt surpasses regular yogurt, making it an excellent muscle-building option. Its creamy texture and tangy taste also make it a delightful base for both savory and sweet dishes. 7. Milk. Milk combines protein, carbohydrates, fats, and amino acids like glutamine and omega-3 fatty acids. These components contribute to muscle growth. Studies show that individuals who consume milk before and after heavy workouts experience significant muscle mass gains. Furthermore, milk serves as a convenient post-workout beverage to replenish lost nutrients. 8. Brown rice. While not exceptionally high in protein, brown rice's complex carbohydrates provide valuable energy during workouts. Slow digesting whole grains keep energy levels stable, enhancing exercise performance and muscle growth. Research suggests that rice protein can be as effective as whey protein for muscle gain in resistance training. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa offers both slow-digesting carbohydrates and protein, along with fiber and essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. It increases insulin-like growth factor levels, supporting muscle strength and growth. The magnesium content enhances muscle and nerve function. Being gluten-free, quinoa is also an excellent choice for those with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. 10. Beans. Beans, available in many varieties, are a valuable plant-based protein source. They are high in fiber, low in fat, and rich in muscle-building proteins. Additionally, beans contain essential vitamins like B vitamins and minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, promoting muscle growth and long-term health. The versatility of beans allows them to be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from soups to salads. 11. Peanuts. Peanuts are rich in protein, carbohydrates, and unsaturated fats, providing a significant calorie boost. They are an excellent energy source for muscle building, maintaining activity levels during workouts. Peanuts also contain ample amino acids, particularly leucine, which stimulates protein synthesis, a key process in muscle growth. 12. Spinach. Spinach is a source of amino acids, including glutamine, essential for building lean muscle mass. Glutamine is abundant in the body and serves as a building block for protein synthesis, supporting muscle gain with heavy weight training. Spinach is also rich in calcium and iron, promoting bone health. In the pursuit of muscle building and strength, your diet is paramount. These 12 best foods for muscle building and strength offer a comprehensive array of essential nutrients for your goals. Whether you prefer eggs for their versatile protein content, lean beef for its protein and creatine, or salmon for its omega-3 fatty acids, incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet will help you achieve your muscle building aspirations. Remember that a balanced diet, combined with consistent strength training, is the key to realizing a full muscle building potential. So, which of these 12 foods is your favorite? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more content, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay inspired, and always remember that your well-being is the ultimate treasure. Here's to a life filled with vitality and abundant health.